guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a first impression of this Hamilton Beach Big Mouth juicer that I got from Target the other day. So if you didn't watch that vlog, make sure you watch that vlog. So I purchased this juicer because I want to do like healthy juicing and things like that, like beginner juicing now. So not the extreme, but just starting from a lower level and work my way up. So I was looking for one and I got one, and you know I got a lot of reviews on this one, so I decided to go to Target and get it. Walmart too has it, and Amazon also have it as well. So this cost me $59.99 for it, and this is how it looks. Okay, so I'm only gonna do a first impression. In the next video that will be coming is how it actually works and how I'm juicing some fruits and veggies out of this juicer. So today we're just gonna see how we can put them together and all of that stuff. So, which I usually don't like doing, but when you buy things, you still gotta put them on. You hear? So we'll fix them and put them together. So, all right. So out of this is just a trash. It looks like this is a cleaning brush. This is a cleaning brush here. Okay. And it also comes with the manual, which is a plus. It should. And it looks like everything is already being assembled for you. So, and then before I put the box away, like here on the box, it tells you healthy homemade juice in seconds, and it gives you all of their powerful 80 watts motor for maximum juicing. Yeah, Big Mouth Juicy for less pre-cut, easy to clean, dishwasher safe. Parts includes recipe and strainer, cleaning brush. Includes, you hear that? Includes recipes and okay, all right. So here it gives you like some of the stuff that they juiced already on the box right here. So yeah, okay. So I'm excited, y'all. Yeah, it says recipe and cleaning brush included, extra large pulp bin, holds more pulps so you can juice longer, powerful. Okay, maximum. Yeah. Hello. Okay, so so that is that. So the powerful machine that we are looking at or wanted to see is this one. So it's all assembled, but you're still gonna have to wash some of this stuff before you start juicing your yeah. So let me bring you closer. So this is what it looks like. So it looks like this is where okay. So it looks like this is where the trash goes when you juice in. The pulps go here. Okay. So let's take this out. Okay. And then take all of this out. So it's pretty much explanatory. Okay, so this has that. Okay. So now, here I guess you will put the small hole, you will put whatever. So this does, let me see if I'm not missing anything. It looks like a small cup supposed to go here. And there's nothing in the box. Okay, yeah. So no, nothing goes right here. It shows you right here in the box that you can use your own cup. Right here, you can use your own cup. Let me move a little bit. You can use your own cup and then put it right there where the juice will be pouring. You know, some juicer has a small container where you put air where all the juice will come through, and then you can put it wherever else you want to put it. But this clearly shows you got to put your own cup. Okay, so it doesn't come with that, just in case if you are wondering. So yeah, so they said juice cup not included. Yeah, so it stated that right here. So juice cup not included. Okay, so I was thinking it did or not, or I'm missing anything. No, I'm not missing anything. So you open this up like that. Okay, so this comes out like that. Okay, so this is the, I can't remember the word right now. So this is the thing that you push the fruits down with. You understand what I mean? Can't get the word out, but you already know what I mean. So guys, this is very, very easy. Like I said, self-explanatory and stuff like that for you to do. So you put the fruits in here and you juice it and push it down. It comes here. So, and it also has the on and off button right here. So this is how the bottom looks, and overall it's very, very cute. Like I said, it's easy to, it's already been pre-assembled, honestly. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go wash these, and then, yeah, because you have to wash these things, you know. It comes, let me see, yeah, because this is, yeah, so wash these things like this, and you know, and put it back, and all should be fine, and you know what I mean. So make sure you wash it. Don't juice anything without washing anything, you know what I mean. So it goes like that, and then put it like this. Instead of like putting, you know, all the pulps get in here, I will take my plastic bag, you know, and try to put it in here like so. And yeah, like so that everything will fall into the plastic bag. So I will have limited cleaning to do basically, and then just put it right here, and then voila, you know what I mean. So I think that's the best way to do it, if you ask me, because we gotta be smart about things nowadays, so instead of being dumb. So yeah, so guys, and you guys know it's electrical, so I didn't need to show you that, but that is it, y'all. So you know, like I said, I found a lot of reviews and things like that with this, and I'm very excited. Honestly, I'm very, but this is a cute way of basically collecting all of your dirt coming out of, you know, the juicer, and just keep, you know, I got 1,000 of these bags, I can use them. So you know guys, so that is it for it. So watch out for the new video how this juicer juice fruits and vegetables and everything else, because I have a helper sitting right here waiting for me to try to juice everything else. So, alright guys, so like I said again before I go out, this have a great review, great, and it cost me $59.99 at Target. So you can get this also from Walmart and Amazon and Best Buy, all of these things. So yeah, so check your local store. I'm not gonna link anything to say, oh no. So I already brought you the information, so you guys, it is what it is. So also the brush, don't forget. Okay, pusher, yeah, veggie pusher. Alright guys, so thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys on my next one. Okay.